Hi, Alex. It was really lovely to meet you in person. It's just so much more meaningful when you meet somebody in real life, and you can actually there's more of a connection, isn't there, whether we want to admit it or not. What I loved about the course, and it came, it was in the first few sentences of the presentation that you hosted. Uh, for me, take your time, do a thorough job, and take your time. Don't rush it. Just get your first product up there. I loved the way it was done. It was very casual, and there was no. I didn't feel uncomfortable asking anything. I didn't think, normally when you're in that situation, you think your questions will be stupid, but not at all. So it was a very relaxed environment. I also learned so much about the little techniques and little things that you can use to enhance the outcomes of your listing, even though you guys are doing my listing. It's interesting to learn about that. I, without a doubt, I'll recommend it. I bought into the program in August, but I've been fluffing around trying to make it perfect and on my own, and I just don't have the capacity or the time I just don't prioritize enough, because time is limited. It always is. This presentation was, to me, like everything, all the time I've spent on, or the workshop, all the time I've spent on doing research myself, was sort of captured in 8 hours. Also, I loved, I've been trying to get my husband enthusiastic about Amazon and ANZ launcher, and it certainly, absolutely was spot on. I'm so happy I could bring him with, and he is so interested now himself. Even though I will probably still do all the stuff, it's good.
Are you based in Australia or New Zealand and you want to get something started on Amazon? I want to talk to you about selling on Amazon. I want to talk to you about how to get started. What's your first 2 or 3 products going to be? The number one reason people say they want to start on Amazon is because of freedom. Freedom to work for themselves, freedom from their boss. They want to spend more time with their family. They want to spend more time with their kids. They want to finally live a life on their own terms. I really want to mentor you. I want to help you find the products, buy the products, fund the products, how much to pay for your products, how to start your own brand and sell your own brand on Amazon, how to find suppliers, how to get the best deals, how to launch and sell your products on Amazon, and how to scale. You guys, ladies and gentlemen, should get started today and find out more on how we can work together.